Yeah, cute ones. And Happy New Year. I know. You missed my face. And here I am for your viewing pleasure. All right, flashback time. All right, so in my early days, after I remembered really, that I had a passion and a talent for food preparation, my chocolate chip cookies were all the rage among my circle of friends. Now, since starting my keto journey, I get a craving every once in a while for those chocolate chip cookies, but I couldn't quite find a keto version that really hit like it did back then. But then something changed. My mom happened, and she found the perfect recipe that with just a few tweaks and a lot more chocolate chips, the keto version of my chocolate chip cookie recipe has been brought to fruition. So thank you, Bunches Mom. Let me show you how, and welcome to my kitchen. All right, so in a large bowl, we're gonna add a half a cup of salted butter, softened, and a half a cup of a brown sugar substitute. We're just gonna go ahead and cream those until it's light and fluffy. All right, and then to this, we're gonna add 1 large egg at room temperature and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're just going to mix that until it's well incorporated. Alrighty, and then to this, we're gonna add 2 cups of almond flour and a teaspoon of baking soda. We're just gonna mix that all until it's well combined and a dough is formed. All right, and the last thing that we need to add is our chocolate chips. So I have a half a cup of keto-friendly milk chocolate chips, a half a cup of a keto-friendly semi-sweet chocolate chips, and a half a cup of keto-friendly white chocolate chips. And we're just going to go ahead and get that folded in. Now, the reason why I love adding lots of different chocolate chips is it kind of gives really, really good flavors in combination, as well as a lot of chocolate chips in your cookies. Make sure that you have chocolate in every single bite. Okay, so I have a piece of plastic here, and what we want to do is just put our cookie dough into the middle. I'm going to elongate it a bit. Then I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up and then twist it so that we create a nice cookie dough log. And this is perfect because what we can do is we can actually slice our cookies from this log, and it requires a lot less work. I have this log ready to go, and this is gonna go into the freezer for about 15 minutes to firm up. Or if you're not ready to cook them immediately or soon, you can put them in the refrigerator to firm up until you're ready for them. All right, and so these are ready to go. So I have my log here that I'm gonna go ahead and get unwrapped. And then of course what we're gonna do is we're just going to slice the cookies from this log. Now, I will admit, it can be kind of crumbly, and if that happens, just go ahead and kind of, push it together and make, the best of the circles. But depending on what your fillings are, sometimes it just slices through pretty easily. If you want the cookie dough to last longer, just place whatever remaining part of the log you have in the freezer, and then just take it out whenever you're ready to have some more cookies. Perfect. And then we're just going to place these onto a cookie sheet. And then we're baking these at about 375 degrees for between 8 to about 10 or 11 minutes. Perfect. You just take these out and let them cool so they can set up completely. And then you're good. And you have chocolate chip cookie deliciousness on a plate. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more. And remember, Happy New Year! It is now 2022, and man, I'm excited because now we have a lot of recipes that I'm gonna go ahead and show you, as well as why don't you share with me some of the recipes that you remember and love from 2021, as well as some of the ones that you might be looking forward to. You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.